Welcome back, book buddies. Today we're going to read two That's Not My books. The first book is That's Not My Parrot. And then the next book is That's Not My Tiger. Let's go. That's not my parrot. Its tummy is too fluffy. That lovely fluffy tummy. Little mouse is going, hello, parrot. That's not my parrot. Its feathers are too soft. Lovely soft feathers. That's a nice big red parrot. That's not my parrot. Its tail is too fuzzy. Fuzzy tail. That's a red, yellow and blue parrot. There's a wee mouse looking at the parrot's tail. That's not my parrot. Its feet are too rough. Big rough feet on that parrot. And he's using the feet to eat a peanut. A yellow and blue parrot. That's not my parrot. Its eggs are too smooth. Eggs. They're smooth eggs. There's a mummy parrot looking after her eggs, and she is yellow, green and blue. Oh, that's my parrot. Its beak is so shiny. Look at that lovely shiny beak. Ooh, that's a red, yellow and blue parrot. The wee mouse is going, hooray, that's my parrot. Let's read our next book. That's not my tiger. Its nose is too fuzzy. His fuzzy little nose. And that wee mouse is saying, your nose is too fuzzy. That's not my tiger. Its ears are too fluffy. Look at those lovely fluffy ears. Ooh. That's not my tiger. Its paws are too smooth. These lovely smooth paws, all shiny. It's got 1, 2 big paws. That's not my tiger. Its tongue is too rough. That's a big tongue. He's going lick. Tigers lick themselves to keep them clean. Oh, that's not my tiger. Its teeth are too bumpy. Look at his big teeth. Big bumpy teeth. He's going roar. Oh, that's my tiger. Its tail is so soft. Lovely soft tail. Oh, lovely tail. That's my tiger. Its tail is so soft. And there's the mouse going, yay, that's my tiger. Wow, that was fun. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Do come back so we can read more books together. Please like and subscribe. Bye.